Wouldn't it be nice to have a plug-and-play training and support platform for your Microsoft Office 365 users? A training platform that's always automatically updated with the latest information your users need to support them at their moment of need, so you stop getting the same questions again and again from your users. Well, that platform you're looking for is called VisualSP. VisualSP sits as a layer on top of your Microsoft 365 applications, including SharePoint, Office Online, Yammer, OneDrive, Teams, and more. It's always there to guide the users with the training and information at their moment of need. When a user navigates from one application to the other, training and support is always available to them in context of their environment. For example, let's say Jamie has been hired and is coming to the modern document library in SharePoint for the first time. She's greeted with a document library tour automatically that shows her around her library, getting her comfortable with all the components that she will need to know to do her job. The same walkthrough is then available to Jamie on demand, so she can start it whenever she wants a refresher. Not only that, but there are other items on the screen helping provide ongoing support to Jamie and her colleagues within their flow of work. For example, here's a quick reference pulsating button which draws a user's attention. When they click on it, they are taken to the document library quick reference sheet. Here's a link that has been configured to say contact support. If a user clicks on it, they're presented with a dialog box and a button that says take me there that would take them to the support desk. Here's an inline help icon, and here's another one. Each of these have been configured to help the user understand what it is that they're looking at their moment of need. In fact, there's also an invisible layer applied on top of the document's label, so when a user hovers over it, they are presented with a tip on how to use a document library. All of these things are easily configured using VisualSP. Now Jamie is in OneDrive and wants to know how to turn on dark mode. She does a quick search in the VisualSP platform and finds a help item for dark mode. Jamie clicks on it and it guides her step by step on how to enable dark mode within OneDrive. You can also set up onboarding tasks for your users so they can go through them and get the knowledge they need to be successful in their specific role. Most of the content is created by our in-house experts, and additional content is also sourced by a partnership with Microsoft. All the content we provide is automatically updated by expert curators in our VisualSP team, so you don't have to. You might be thinking, can I customize these help items? Absolutely. You can customize existing help items very simply and easily. In fact, you can customize all the components of VisualSP, including branding, titles, and the look and feel of VisualSP. Making new help items is also very easy using one of the many templates provided or starting from scratch. All of the editing and configuration is available through the editor that's available directly in your web browser. Creating a walkthrough from scratch couldn't be easier. Let's see how quickly I can make a walkthrough to point to an element in Microsoft Planner. Push critical items like an important message about a compliance training that's due so it appears on every screen the users go to within Microsoft 365. Use announcement banners to notify users about the information they need to know, for example, a change in an out-of-office message policy. These contextual notification messages can be set so they automatically come up during a certain period of time frame. How do you know if you're getting benefit from your VisualSP deployment? Great question. We provide in-depth analytics that show you exactly the return on investment you are getting for VisualSP, as well as in-depth reporting on the usage of VisualSP by your users. You can see exactly what each user has searched for, where they were, and in which context when they viewed a certain help item, and exactly when they viewed it. Having said that, we also have the capability to make this information anonymous, so each data point appears as an anonymous unique identifier if that's a preference for your organization. VisualSP is already being used by organizations around the world to reduce support tickets, increase productivity, and get a greater return on investment for their Microsoft 365 deployment. Schedule a private demo with us for your team and we will show you exactly how VisualSP can help your organization with your specific business needs.